I was just sent this product from Wonderskin. It is a lip stain. We are gonna put this on. So fun. It is blue when it goes on. Got it on. You can feel it plumping of some sort. Feels pretty neat. You leave it on for about 10 to 30 seconds, then you wipe it off with a damp cloth. If you want to build it, once you're done, you just put it back on. I don't know, this feels really neat, and I like that it's a darker color so you can see where all you've missed. So then you can put it on real easy. Now we're just gonna wipe it off with a damp cloth. This is the XOXO color. I think it looks great. It's got a nice soft tone to it. Let's check how it stays on. Got another little cloth? Doesn't come off.
Mommy, this big string of hair.
And here we go. I got more on here. It does not come off with wiping on it. I love that. This is some nice color. It's easy to put on.